What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode with me, the Bassinator. This morning I'm just out to have a little bit of fun at the club dams, and like always, topwater frog. Early hours of the morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, 5:15, and before I set up the kick boat, I'm gonna have a couple of casts of the frog and see if I can catch some topwater. Ew. This is gonna be a topwater frog morning. Enjoy. It's the second fish that's just come off. Oh, that's a good one. It's a good one. And it's on the frog. Yeah. It's a good fish, guys. On the frog. Another decent fish, also about a kilo, 1.2. Another better play. Lekker fishy. Another fatty on the frog. So guys, I'm getting off the water now. The top water bite wasn't as active as I thought it would be. Still caught a few top water, up to, I think the biggest was about a 1.2. Try to go bigger and nothing. So top water bite today was so-so. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.